Hello, welcome to Tonic Studio. It's Friday. The weekend is nearly here. It's gin o'clock somewhere, yeah? But this is beautiful. This is your special delivery post box and stamp set. Now you're getting 39 dies and 25 stamps in here. Now look at this. It's something special. The panels in here are gorgeous, yeah? So let me open that up, and once again, with all our instructions now, you've got that cutting guide at the top. I adore a cutting guide. It means I can cut it all out, clear the decks, and then I'm free for all my sticking. But then you've got all these beautiful dies in here. Now I'm going to show you just two of these dies. If I pull that out and put, can you see the detail in these? You've got this one here, which is going to give you that lovely strip around the front. I'm thinking that that's just nice for a card. Really easy card front, that one, yeah? So that is Christmas because it's got the holly on there and it's got the stars. But if I turn that round, this is gorgeous. Let me show you on this one here. Look at that panel. That panel on its own would be a wedding invitation. Yeah, really, really pretty. I love how detailed it is, how open. So you've got that open space behind the detailing. So you could colour match it. Maybe your wedding, I don't know, you're having let's think of some obscure colours, purple and green, yeah? It would look lovely. Yeah, you've got all that lovely detail. But then you've got in there, you've got your locking mechanisms in there. You've got your little envelope here as well, so you can put your little notes inside. You could make this into so much more than just a Christmas post box. Yeah, you can see all these gorgeous examples here. They are lovely. All the fronts open as well, okay? Now if you've got a sense of humour like I do, if you are selling your wares, great, you can make and sell as many as you want. How about making it into a square box? I know, pound coining every single time. It would look amazing. You've then got the one that you can put on the stem there as well. Now don't forget to join Alison and Leo at 12 o'clock. They're going to show you how to put it together, but it's an easy box, but pretty, isn't it? Really, really pretty. And don't forget, 4 of you can actually win those goodie bags as well. So fingers crossed it is you. See you later.